If you've lost access to your Great Courses Plus account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the account recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Great Courses Plus website. Go to the official Great Courses Plus website using your computer or mobile device. Look for the login section to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Great Courses Plus in your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset link, create a new password for your account. Ensure it meets the security requirements and is something you can remember. After resetting, log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Great Courses Plus customer support for further assistance.